enti Owusu Bempah eni abre na watutu bia mane Agradaa na ase munye nkoso we ntokwa we third world war and ntokwa we ebechie matter that kingdom come na wenku adie Owusu Bempah di opeso oye bia wo de eguso na ye wenku adie di opeso wo kebia ka cause Owusu Bempah sam kikan mu no so be ma ya chi Agradaa atum etu de yengo hwe video ni bra ye ba de aka make beto aso
akwa case so ni case kro me pese a chi sa ni pa no this week me pese a chi because I'm say my ho achedo o see take action so ma me na friend Agradaa no me pese a chi ni this week I'll see to it here bet this week I'm telling you share a back critical me akasa me ko headquarters me ko RGP anim straight ana Christian tetenyo honu ma me na di matem say was starting say di matem me yare he o say me ma rented dan ama baya bi sa baya ntra dan mu oni natem ana masan so abia studio ama blogger bi say onyusu sa studio no mfa ni natem me so blogger no kra me fa mani kosua sen hu ne da aban na o kana asem kra me nim no aban na o kana me nim no am say me hu na yi ase once pe Mr. Kofi Boachi yi ase asa ya so show abaya no ne breast o social media ne so o show abaya ne nakedness and abaya ne buofu na abaya no so di na tem o seme na maba abaya ne pa o di matem serious Agradaa no wasan start sa Agradaa na ma many IGP nya problem na meko headquarters meko IGP anim on sa de no ya during election year eti me pese meye bibia mekasa enti osofo samukokoye case no na so man take action meba headquarters so se Jubilee House kra meko e mama nkrofo hu say yeso ye company for mo Ghana ho mentimi ma ba ya we ni matam sa twitwa ntontom so sa enough is enough menya no hwe asuda bia na odi matam odi matam so obi anka hwe o on be ha me na di matam a lawyer dabena obeko headquarters okwa koko si Christian tetenyo honu so ananse medi misasare number be ma ne koko si o so na me head yon be case no so man take any action me take action I me take no me nka se me ana me take action no me ko headquarters to na me ni police in penifo akwa meeting sani ma we nyina nti ana me bufu MPP fo no omo ma power omo pa omo hwe election we ombe lusu enti se omo mu bi ana me it is alleged yes omo bi ana akohye na chi no ahye da yesa osofo headquarters obom ya wuto no sasa case no ho monkonko revisit sa case ni biem na monfa audio sa wo di matem no monfa ni nyina enka honko ne yehwe be ma wo kromu ha nyame hira mo
okay entina de wo mu no na a studio Owusu Bempah ni mu nsam kekan a wo keka wo ho no na kire se ai na to sa Agradaa egu ne ho fie Agradaa keka no ho nsam kire se wo sha baba wo bi echi ye fa ne shila obofo ba shila enti ono na opeso o kire se onu na nya case Agradaa peso o kire se Owusu Bempah ka shek sa age onu echi na ma Agradaa ye no na me the case wo ho me ni mu pa o me ni case wo na me pese me chire cause me kasa me chire ma one hand how kasa akwa sa me side with obi but me inside with obi a enti na so Owusu Bempah sama wo kan so be ma ya chi Agradaa na we na asam na nka kasa me dream when I'm say Owusu Bempah. Na ende wo na woni agra can say IGP enye ya wo se wo kwa IGP wo no ache Agradaa. Kasa tente. Owusu Bempah refuse say encha ya kura wo se IGP na yo bekum. Me na betina ha na me news na ebusia fo dia na wure fi. Sa news kura na me be ye itu dia ye kohwe no sombra.
Ankomu kwa me pani akumi ka IGP okokume IGP anko okokume. Munim san ka IGP kokume. Anko kwa me pani akumi. Na kufaro wanya IGP hwe. Monfia ne musa ne se kana onkomo ne be fami anajo no. Ene police for na no mu dia ya hwehwe omanim no omu fe. Na eduru quarter ena nke be video na kire o. Omo de mask hwehwe omanim. Police for 8 ekutatuo. Komo kwa me pani akume. Omo di tuo na ba ha. Omo ntimi invite me. Na omo di tuo betutuo. Na dampare ko twa ntro se me mama mo amoya asorfo na bua polisifoɔ no. Police ni bia ne ba na me mama mo bo no. Na kufa do so agye adi wa musame. Wa mfrɛ me na danfo pa so ni mi o. Eso amfrɛ me musame hwe.
Amio, it's Owusu Bempah the kan ye was IGP. IGP ka oyama ye kuno. Ense fa hikosi na obi anka ye kun kika de ebom ni ye nim no. Na afa die wusase wo kwa no ama na chi Agradaa. Wa tebusuafo ye jesi etechire de ye hwe. Anti ama omu nyina ahoma ni si a de aka de beto aso. Iti na che se edi na ye Miss Cover Girl. O fe me Cover Girl so meje so iti Taptap Send. And I saw my snake. Now I in 360 at the best macro.
A very big hello to all our lovely Taptap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Taptap Send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use Taptap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we Taptap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I would say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can, and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions. We are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Taptap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Taptap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Taptap Send. Papa no no.